Yeah, hi friends. Today I'm going to share the content of the colorimeter, which is an analytical instrument. So, it is a basic instrument which is used for the measurement of the intensity of the color substance in a solution. So, what is the basic principle? It is based on the two laws, and when an incident light is passed through a solution, that the part of the incident light and is reflected, transmitted, and absorbed. So, incident light equal to transmittance light plus reflected light plus absorbance light. So it is based on the two principles, that is Beer's law and the Lambert's law. According to the Beer's law, the part of amount of light which is absorbed is directly proportional to the concentration of the solute in the solution. And Lambert's law states that the absorbed light is directly proportional to the length and the thickness of the solution under analysis. So here is the OD equal to optical density. Beer's Lambert's law. So here is the amount of light absorbed is directly proportional to the concentration and the thickness of the solution. So here is the absorption coefficient. An instrument used in this colorimeter is the source of the light, monochromator, sample holder, photodetector system, and measuring device. And here is the components of the colorimeter, which is a light bulb. Tungsten bulb is generally used for aperture, condenser, filter, cuvette, and the photocell. And galvanometer is used to detect and for reading purpose. Working principle: the colorimeter is switched on and left for 15 minutes. After that, it is set 0 for full transmission. Then it is set 100 for the blank cuvette, and the sample is loaded after blank is removed. The reading is noted down, and here are some examples. As for the glucose estimation, the glucose equal to optical density of test by optical density of standard into concentration of the standard, and glucose is read as 70 milligram per 100 ml of the blood. Uses of the colorimeter, that is used in medical industries, paints, print, paper and printing links, textile industries, color contrast and brightness of the mobile screens, test the water quality, measure the diamond quality, measure the concentration of the hemoglobin in blood samples, pharmaceuticals, industries and drugs products, monitor the nutrient concentration in the soil for plant growth. Advantage: it is very cheap and efficient method of the quality analysis. Portable colorimeters are available, which makes them convenient to use. Quantitative analysis of color compound can be easily done by the using colorimeter. It has a disadvantage too. It has become a tedious process to identify the concentration of colorless compound. It only works in the visible spectrum of the light, that is 400 to 700 nanometer. It doesn't work in the UV and IR spectrum as in the case of the spectrophotometer it is generally used. It is not possible to set a specific wavelength, rather a range of spectrum has to be set to measure the absorbance. Spectrophotometry is very specific for these wavelength spectrum. There is a difference between the colorimetry and the spectrophotometer. So this is all about the colorimeter. Thanks for watching.